Hey everybody, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we are going to look at Solana. So the Solana price chart has been rising steadily in the last 24 hours. We're going to see if that will continue on for the rest of March, April, and 2021 with our price predictions today. However, before we do that, I do want to say I'm not a financial advisor. I will never be a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing in any coin. So in the last 24 hours, we saw this 20% increase. We saw a 13% increase overall in the last week because we had some rough numbers in the beginning of the week. In the last month alone, we saw a 47.92% increase. Obviously, it was way down there about February 22nd or February 21st. And that is why we see the increase. Obviously, it's going to be a decrease overall once we get to that February 24th mark, unless we make up for it here on the right side at that March 24th mark as well. So we see in the last year a 1,870% increase like we do with most altcoins. Very, very high increases overall in the last year. The market cap right now is at 4.4 billion. The volume in the last 24 hours is sitting at 215.9 million, and we have the circulating supply at 267.5 million SOL. So Solana is doing big things this week and this last 24 hours alone. And we're going to take a look if this is, if this is going to continue on, or do you think, is it going to stop and slow down? So let's take a look at the actual website itself and get a brief overview of what Solana is and what it does before we do our price predictions. So they say build crypto apps that scale. Solana is a fast, secure, and censorship-resistant blockchain providing the open infrastructure required for global adoption. You can start building and you can also learn more. You can see on the right side we have total transactions as it continues to rise, the block time, and then the average fee per transaction, very low obviously. And the global validators, we have 687. Join the fastest growing ecosystem in the crypto. And they have some of the other coins like Chainlink specifically, obviously a huge coin, Terra, very big coin. And then you can continue to go down, try to break Solana. Solana can process 50K transactions per second. Don't believe us? Stress test the network to experience Solana speed for yourself. So obviously very fast. A very good idea of, this is kind of interesting because you actually can play now and test this out. It's very interesting to see Solana at this speed. Say goodbye to high fees and slow confirmations. Solana is built for speed without trade-offs. So this is very cool as well. We have this scalable. So it leverages proof of history and several other breakthrough innovations to allow network to scale at the rate of Moore's law. We also have low cost and composable. So there's a lot of interesting little things to look at in Solana. If you can continue down, you can see that it does welcome you to the community, and you can apply to the collective and join the community and learn more about the ecosystem as well. If you click over here on the ecosystem, you can see more about that. That is really all we're going to take a look at on Solana. If you want, you can definitely come to the website and check the documentation out or learn more. You're going to see a lot more information if you click either of these and do your research, obviously, before jumping into any coin. Obviously, Solana is no different. It's a very good, high potential coin. However, you got to do your own research first. I did see a few people, asking for the Solana. There's a lot of coins I turned down just today. I was looking through I was doing a lot of research this morning actually, and I was looking at a lot of these coins. I don't believe in everybody's coins. So if you are posting coins and I'm not going over them, you got to be careful because I may not be going over them because there's no potential behind them, or I just don't believe in the coin themselves. So there could be a lot of potential still. I'm not going to always be 100% on what coin has the most potential. However, Solana is definitely one of those I believe in, and because of that, we are going to do a price prediction over the price. Right now we see it at 1640. I believe Solana will continue to rise. I think in the next, I'd say, week or so, by the end of March specifically, Solana will be a $17 coin. We will see dips on the way up, but I see Solana continue to rising to that $17. If we continue down a little bit, we see April. I think April, we won't see a huge increase like we do in other coins. I think $18 would be a nice spot for Solana by the end of April. I think if we can just stabilize above that $18 by the end of 2021, we should be able to reach that $20 mark at the very least. I think Solana ends up being a $24 to $28 coin by the end of 2021, and that is going to be my price prediction. This was the fastest video I could do real quick, just to give you guys a brief overview of what Solana is, and then also give you guys a small price prediction of where we think Solana will continue to rise. If you actually look at this last week alone, you can see it's pretty, there's not much to it. It's just continuing to stabilize at a certain level, and then it gave a dip before a huge increase. I think there will be dips before continuing on the rise up, and it may not reach that $17 mark in March. But April, I really do believe it'll make up for it if it does not reach that mark in March. And I think April we'll see potentially a $18 to $20 Solana coin. So that is my price prediction for Sol. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I'm way low or way high. I think a lot of people are going to think I'm a little low on this one. However, I do want to say I try to keep these price predictions as conservative and realistic as possible. So that may be why we see different points of view on Solana. But, Solana is definitely one with potential. Do your own research before investing in anything, specifically Solana. It's one of those coins that does have a lot of potential. However, there's a lot more to it than you first see. Obviously, I did not cover everything on the website. All the information that you can get on the website is phenomenal. So definitely take a look at that. And make sure to hit the like button, guys. If you like these quick videos, I try to make them as quick as possible while going over a brief overview and then obviously the price predictions as well. So if you do like these videos, hit the like button. Comment in the comments below if you guys have any reason to believe Solana will be much higher or much lower, or if you have any other coins you want me to take a look at, let me know in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and notifications on so you can be the first one to be notified when these videos come out so you can get that information as fast as possible. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you in the next video.